Hey guys, unfortunately there's no GO train service for today. Trespasser activity. So the train's not gonna be here until like 8:33, and by the time it gets here by 8:33, the train will be leaving at 8:40, which means I will be running late for home by then. So yeah, unfortunately there will be no GO trains today, so sorry guys. But I blame the trespassers out there who are delaying GO Transit. For the trespassers out there, you are delaying my railroading videos. Either way, this will tune in next time. See you all tomorrow for some more trains!